You wake up in the morning. It's just a regular day, like every single day. You get up, you put your eye mask down, you get your tape removed, and you walk towards the bathroom like any other day. You're gonna go brush your teeth, and then when you saw yourself in the mirror, you realize you have a double chin, and you never see this before. You're so confused. You want a jawline back. I'm just making a thing, but like now your jawline is gone. You're thinking how you gonna get your jawline back? How you gonna get a better jawline? So I'll be showing some things that I've been using. Like I've been using three things that improve my jawline and got me a better jawline. And the first thing is that you have to mew. Now, if you don't know what mewing is just breathing. It's like a way to breathe from your nose and have a better mouth posture. So the way to mew is just to like swallow your saliva, and whatever position your tongue comes into, it be on the roof of your mouth. Like when you swallow it, it come on the roof of your mouth, and put that like posture for the whole time, like for how long you can put it. That's just mewing. So like that. Like I have to just like swallow my saliva and put it like whatever posture that comes into, that's mew. And the second point is that you have to start to chew some chewing gum. I have some chewing gum right here, like as you can see. I chew it. I started to do this like a couple of weeks ago, and it has improved my jaw muscles. This will like increase the muscles. It's like a exercise, as you can say. Like you can eat it for 1 hour, or like if you're like doing some long work, like for example you're reading a book, you're journaling, you're yeah, like whatever you're gonna do, something that you can just chew. So you're going to like some like long drive, like car drive, you can put one of these chewing gums in your mouth, chew, and chew it hard, like don't like play with it, like actually chew it like the whole time, like being conscious with it. And this will increase your jaw muscles, and it will be like an exercise. So you like after like you chew it, you should be like realizing it, that like your muscles are like finished, like you can't be chewing more, like that's it. That's like how long you have to chew it for. Then your muscles will regrow and then become bigger, and then like your facial structure will become better. The third point is that before you sleep, you have to use tape. So what I mean by this is that when you sleep, like most people are unconsciously like breathing from their nose. I said that like as I think I said this like, but like mewing is like basically breathing from your nose with a good mouth posture. So when you're sleeping, you are unconsciously breathing in from your nose, and then you're not actually like mewing while you're sleeping, or like you're not breathing from your nose while you're sleeping. So before I sleep, I put like just a little bit of tape on my mouth, and then I just go to bed and then sleep. I try to like maintain the posture, like the mewing posture, and then I just sleep. Like it's like normal, yeah. It's like it's casual. Don't be afraid of like thinking like will this like harm me, or will I just like suffocate. You won't. You have a nose. You won't get blocked. It's fine, nothing will happen, and you'll put a little bit of tape, not that much, so that you can open your mouth if something bad happens. Other than that, that's the whole video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. You can click this other video right here on screen, and see you guys next time, bro. Bye bye.